Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to make pagination with livewire in Laravel 8. We have this list of countries according to their continent. We don't need to display all countries on this page like this, that's why we need to paginate this table. We have 239 countries in total. Let's make pagination for this list now. Back to our livewire component PHP file, then import livewire pagination class. And also add this pagination trait here. We can paginate our results like this. Back to our livewire component blade file and add this below table. Let's test. As you can see, we have only 5 countries displayed on first page. Also, we have next and previous buttons. As you can see, we can go to next or previous page without page refresh. We have also pagination links numbers. We can customize this pagination links for better results. Create new file under Views folder and rename to Livewire Pagination Link Blade PHP. Let's use our custom pagination layout. As you can see, we can get content from our custom pagination layout blade file. Let's replace this by Livewire pagination links. Just follow carefully what I am doing. Let's test. As you can see, we have this bootstrap pagination links.